Hi Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry, this is another video that I'm going to be doing without my face or my hands. That's why I'm doing reviews and just throwing in one or two tutorials here and there for you guys to enjoy. A beautiful skin is not always light skin. Whether you are dark, brown or light in complexion, nourish, pamper and take care of your skin to make it glow, young and radiant is what matters. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, you all are doing fine. My name is Sele Kalio and today's Posh Skin Secret is how to make your Dr. James Milk Whitening Cream 99% pure fresh milk work for you. That's promixing the Dr. James Milk Whitening Cream and how to use it. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead now. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't take anything away from you. Just click the red subscribe button down below and make sure that you are thumbs up in. Make sure you thumbs up this video and also click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please, a beautiful comment in the comment section will give me a boost. It will make me feel like I am doing this for a purpose. It will make me feel like I'm actually reaching out to people. So please leave me a beautiful comment and make sure you tell your family and friends to come follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I give out skincare tips, DIY recipes, full recipes that you can sell to customers, and also throw in one or two product reviews and all of that. That's what this channel is about. So let's get on to business, guys. I was saying that a radiant, glowing and young looking skin is what I consider beautiful. Be it light skin, dark skin or brown skin, if your skin is with green vein, dark spots, dark patches, knuckles and looking old, I consider it an ugly skin. Whatever skin complexion you have, maintain it and make it glow, make it young. That's the purpose of using skincare products. Stop destroying your skin with harsh bleaching products. Go slow and steady in achieving your light skin complexion. I don't know how else to say it. It's a gradual process. It's not something that happens overnight. I said this in my last video. It is a gradual process. You can't just go from being a chocolate skin girl to a posh beauty glitz and glam girl. Like, I don't know if I'm making sense, but take it slow. So today I'm going to be sharing a skincare recipe that repairs and glows the skin. What you will need for this recipe is the Dr. James Milk Whitening Cream 1 container, and then Mimi White Aha Body Serum. You need half of that, and then you also need the pure alpha arbutin powder. You need 5 ml of that. I'm going to leave everything in the description below, and I'm also going to be putting it on the screen so you guys can see it. Now today I cannot do a physical tutorial for you guys because, like I said, this week's video is going to be all just talking. It's been a few weeks I've been down, so I'm trying to recoup. I don't want to scare you guys with my skinniness. I've really lost weight, so I'm going to be sharing the procedure. I'll leave it on the screen as well so that you guys can copy it and do it easy. It'll be easier for you. So the procedure is simple. It's very simple. It's going to be put on the screen, but even if you want me to go ahead and talk about it, so here it goes. Oh, sorry, you're also going to be needing a little bit of rose water because you use that to dissolve your alpha arbutin. So go ahead to dissolve your alpha arbutin powder with rose water, and then mix it thoroughly until it dissolves. Then go ahead to add the dissolved powder into Dr. James Milk whitening cream. Mix everything together, and then go ahead to add your Mimi White Aha Body Serum. Make sure that you mix everything properly. Mix everything thoroughly. You can go ahead to use your hand mixer or hand whisker. I always confuse these two. Go ahead to use your hand mixer to mix your cream and make sure everything is dissolved, and then store in a very clean, sanitized container. Always sanitize your work area before you start. Don't compromise that. Always sanitize your work area. You don't want bacteria to grow on your cream. So go ahead to sanitize your workstation, your containers, your bowls, your spatulas. Make sure everything is sanitized, and also make sure your hands are sanitized. The past few weeks I have been messing up my knuckles, and I have just told myself, instead of going into always trying to treat my knuckles, why not always wear gloves? So I'm telling this to myself now, always wear gloves. So yeah, go ahead, sanitize, and then use a very clean sanitized container to store your cream. Now this cream can be applied, this lotion can be applied only at night. Do not use it in the morning, only at night, and it will give you a very beautiful, flawless, milky, light complexion. I have used it, and it's safe, effective in glowing and unifying the skin, and it's also moisturizing. So you can go ahead to promix this product, this cream, and let me know what you think in the comment section after doing this cream. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to join our WhatsApp training, our next WhatsApp training will be for August. I'm going to put out a date very soon. I don't know if I'll have a date by the time I'm editing this video, but I'm going to put out the date for very soon, and make sure you join. There's a link in my description bar. Click on the link, it will take you to the WhatsApp group, and then all the information on how to join the class will be provided in that group. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. I'm trying to gain back some weight so that I would look beautiful for you guys, because I want to start making a lot of videos, a lot of physical videos, like with my face and all of that. And I have invested so much on lighting, because I'm going to open another channel. I actually have another channel. I haven't started promoting that channel yet. I will start promoting it once my equipment gets here. So I have invested in a lot of heavy duty lighting that has really eaten into my pocket, even if I have not been monetized on YouTube. So YouTube doesn't pay me yet. I don't get anything. So everything that I'm doing from my pocket. And so I'm going to start that as soon as possible, but for now I'm just going to be concentrating on this channel. That channel is going to be about lifestyle, vlogs, food, entertainment, makeup, because I do makeup as well, nails. I do nails, press-on nails. So I'll be showing you how to install press-on nails and all of that, and a lot of other things. Like I'll be showing you how to grow your YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how to light up your studio, how to use small spaces to create. It's going to be a very fun channel. So if you would I'm sure you guys will enjoy that channel as well. So once everything is ready, I'm going to go ahead and start promoting that channel on here, as well as promoting this channel on that channel as well, if that makes sense. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead to hit the subscribe button down below. It doesn't take anything to subscribe. Just click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's an upload coming from me. Click on the thumbs up button and go ahead to leave me a beautiful comment in the comment section so that I know that you guys appreciate my effort. Okay, and I'm going to leave you guys now until I see you again. Bye for now.